pinag-usapan na ba yung mga something marriage, ganyan?
Definitely, me and Michelle, we talk about it, especially kids as well. Pag-usapan na namin before yan. But right now,
How are you and Michelle na?
definitely, our relationship is going strong. We're very happy and where we are right now. And everything good.
Ilang taon na kayo? 3, 4?
years.
Wow, going strong na nga. Anong sikreto?
Sikreto, unang-una, I guess, communication. Of course, yung pagmamahal, yung care for one another is always there. In a relationship naman, I do believe that it's a constant challenge and test na kailangan mong alagaan and magbigay ng pagmamahal sa partner nila. So, syempre, it's all about, for me, always being there for the person that you love, always knowing what that person needs, especially that moment, and just overall supporting the
We would like to remind everyone we have an open bar, so please enjoy the free drinks.
At this stage ba, you are leveling your, relationship? Pinag-usapan na ba yung mga something marriage, ganyan?
Definitely, me and Michelle, we talk about it, especially kids as well. Pag-usapan na namin before yan. But right now, we're happy where we are right now. Right now, we're focusing on our careers, our work, our businesses. Para at least when the right time comes, nakalatag na lahat. Ganun kasi kaming tao, like, we don't want to jump into conclusions. Gusto namin pinaghahandaan bawat step. Para at least each step, each level up sa buhay namin, nakahanda na, nakayo na.
So, ilang taon ka na ngayon at ilang taon mo lang ngayon o anong age mo, nagkikita kang nasa marrying age ka na or mag-aasawa na?
Right now, I'm 33 years old po. And definitely from 31 to 39, yun yung nararamdaman kong marrying. So, I'm in the gitna, kumbaga.
Or
in between those years.
Kahit hindi mo na mag-anak, mag-asawa, pero pwede mag-anak na. May ganon? Or hindi?
For me,
dapat kasal? Or
hindi ko kasi ganun kami ni Michelle. But we do respect yun yung gusto ng ibang tao. But for us, of course, we want to be married first. Then, dumaan sa prosesong gano'n.